Good morning dear students. God bless you. Welcome to maths class. Before start, last class we have discussed properties of rational number, especially closure property, associative property, commutative property. In this class, we are going to see about the distributive property. The distributive property is for any three rational number a, b, c. The property is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Distributive property over a addition. Okay. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is distributive property over a addition. So now discuss the exercise 1.2 sixth sum. Verify the distributive property a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Now properties given for the rational numbers a, b, c also given. So verify the given question. The solution a, b, c are given minus 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to minus 5 by 6. So take and write the LHS a into b plus c. A into b plus c. So first find out the b plus c answer. B plus c. B is equal to 2 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay. This is equal to using the LCM to find the like fraction. This is 6 denominator, this is for 3. So find out the like fraction. This is 1 to 6 means the 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. Is it or not? 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. Now we get the like fraction. So numerator and denominator have to multiply by 2. This is the method of equivalent fraction method. Okay. 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 plus minus 5 by 6. This is equal to 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus minus 5 by 6. So 6 is the common denominator. Then operate the numerator 4 minus 5. 4 minus plus 4 minus 5 is a different sign. The different sign made it a subtraction. So 5 minus 4 1. The greater value sign is minus by 6. This is b plus c. Then find a into b plus c. Equal to what is a? A is minus 1 by 2 into b plus c. B plus c minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. Then multiplying the two rational number. Now compare the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 6 are 12. So the LHS answer is 1 by 12. Okay, next. Now consider the RHS. As RHS a into b plus a into c. First find a into b. So is equal to a. A is what? The given question minus 1 by 2 into b is equal to 2 by 3. This is equal to minus into plus minus 1 2s are 2 divided by 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. As commutative property true under multiplication. Okay. So you have cancellation law. So using the cancellation by the second table 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. This is equal to minus 1 by 3. Next find a into c. So a is minus 1 by 2 into c is equal to minus 5 by 6. C is minus 5 by 6. Then multiplying both the rational number minus into minus plus 1 5s are 5 divided by 2 6s are 12. Okay. Now we get 5 by 12. Next. What is the RHS? A into b plus b into a into c. A into b plus a into c. This is RHS. Have to check. A into B answer is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 plus a into c answer 5 by 12. So here both the denominators are different. We get unlike fraction. So first change into the like fraction. Here 1 to the 12 denominator. So 3 multiplying with 4 we get 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 4 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 by 12 is equal to minus into plus minus 1 4s are 4 divided by 12 plus 5 by 12 is equal to 12 is the common factor. So minus 4 plus 5 so is equal to minus 4 plus 5. We get different sign when it is subtraction. Plus 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 1. 1 by 12. This is RHS. So compare LHS and RHS. Both are equal. Okay. So LHS, RHS are equal. Therefore, hence verified distributive property. Okay. Hence verified. Hence verified. That's all the question. Okay. This was the question. Okay, dear students. Next, sound question. Evaluate 13 by 18 into minus 12 by 39 minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 by minus 9 divided by 63 divided by minus 36. This is very easy. We know the basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is very easy. Okay, the solution. Once again, I can write 13 by 18 into minus 12 by 39 minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 4 plus here minus minus are cancelled because using the cancellation law we get 7 by 9 divided by 63 divided by minus 36. Okay, that's all. So this is equivalent. Using the 13th table, 1 13s are 13, 3 13s are 39. Then using my 6th table, we get 2 6s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So the remaining numbers are 1 into minus 2, here minus 2, divided by 3, here divided by also 3. Then minus 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 1. Don't miss it any sign, because sign is most important role in the simplification. Okay, so plus 7 by 9, the division change into multiplication to interchange the numerator and denominator. So division change into multiplication, interchange the denominator and numerator. Okay, this is the form. As well as this is the multiplication, plus into minus, minus 1 2s are 2, 3 3s are 9. Then minus, yeah, the same manner, plus into minus, minus 1 2 1s are 2 divided by 1 3s are 2. That's all. Plus, yeah, using the cancellation once again, 1 7s are 7, 9 7s are 63, and 1 9s are 9. This is 4 times of 9, 36. Okay, so the remaining terms are 1 by 1 into minus 4 by and minus 4 by 9. Okay, that's all. So is equal to minus 2 by 9 minus into minus plus 2 by 3. Okay, plus into minus minus 1 4s are 4 divided by 1 9s are 9. I understood the simplification. This all are using by the cancellation. Okay, then minus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 plus into minus minus 4 by 9. So now compare all the denominators. The two first and last is the like fraction. The middle of the term is the unlike fraction. So convert in the like fraction. Minus 2 by 9 plus this value multiplying by 3 we get 9. Because 3 3s are 9. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 3 divided by 9. So find out the equivalent fraction. So minus 2 by 9 plus 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 3s are 9 minus 4 by 9 is equal to all are 9. So compare the all numerator minus 2 plus 6 minus 4 which is equal to minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 6 divided by 9 so is equal to plus 6 minus 6 is 0 0 by 9 0 by 9 is equal to 0. X is the numerator 0 means the value equivalent to 0. That's all. This value fully equivalent to 0. That's all the result. Have you understood the sum of the sum? Okay, dear students. Next 8th question. Evaluate using appropriate properties. The first question. 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 12 plus minus 4 by 6 into minus 8 by 12 plus minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. This is your question. Okay. Next. Using by the appropriate property. So you have the property of distributive property over a addition. First one, the solution 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 12. Compare the 3 term. 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. First and last has the same one. So write minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. Next write minus 4 by 6 into minus 8 by 12. That's all. Yeah. So 2 by 3 is common for both the term. Taken outside, we get 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 12 plus minus 1 by 4 okay. Plus minus 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 8 by 12. Have you understood? Yeah. First we compare first and last term, and then taken outside 2 by 3 is common for first and second term. And the remaining terms are minus 5 by 12 and minus 1 by 4. Here using the cancellation by second table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So minus 4 by 6 can be write minus 2 by 3. And the remaining numbers minus 8 by 12. That's it. So 2 by 3 into, unlike fraction, first change into the like fraction, the LCM of 12. So minus 5 plus, this is multiplying by 3 we get 12. So numerator also want to write 12. So 3, so 1 3s are 3, minus 3. The 12 is the common. Okay, directly I write plus this is minus 2 by 3 into minus 8 by 12. That's all. Next, the second step, next step is equal to 2 by 3 into, the simplification, minus 5 minus 3. So addition of the like sign is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 by 12. Okay, I understood. This is next plus minus 2 by 3 into minus 8 by 12. And it is equal to, compare both the term. First, how to multiply? Plus into minus, minus 2 8s are 16 divided by plus into plus plus 3 12s are 36. Then plus minus into minus plus 2 8s are 16 divided by 3 12s are 36. You get the 36. The numerators are minus 16 plus 16. As a like fraction, then get operate only the numerator. So minus 16 plus 16 is 0. 0 by 36 equal to 0. Therefore, the given question equal to 0 using by the distributive property over a addition. Okay, this is your answer. Have you understood the answer? Okay, dear students. 9th question. Use commutative and distributive properties to simplify the given question. Okay. So you have 8th question second subdivision. This 8th question second subdivision is your homework. So 9th question using commutative and distributive property to simplify the given question. The solution. So commutative property true under multiplication. These two are the type of multiplication. To interchange the value, minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 5 plus minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4. As multiplying plus inside, plus into minus, minus 3 by 8 plus into plus plus. So 1 by 4 so 1 by 4 plus 19 by 20. Okay. Here I am used commutative property to interchange the value. Okay. So that means 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. As well as the same result of to interchange the position when the multiplication exists. Okay. Another one, the distributive property. Compare the result. A into B plus C is equal to, this is your distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. The same manner. Consider the RHS look like the value. A into B plus A. The same value. A into C. Okay. This like exists. What we do? Write in the left hand side like okay, A into A is minus 3 by 8 into B plus C. B is 4 by 5 plus C is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that's all. Have you understood this step? So the previous steps look like a RHS of distributive property. So now I am write the LHS of distributive property. A into B plus C. Then the first two is completed. Then third one 19 by 20. This is the second step. Then minus 3 by 8 into using the class multiplication. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 5s are 5 divided by 5 4s are 20 plus 19 by 20, which is equal to minus 3 by 8 into 16 plus 5, 21 by 20 plus 19 by 20. And multiply the both the value. But minus into plus, minus 3 21s are 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, then 63 divided by 8 20s are 8 2s are 16, then 0 160 plus 19 by 20. Here one to the denominator 160. Find the LCM of the denominator 160. So this value multiplied by 8 we get 160. So minus 63 divided by 160 plus 160 cross multiplied by 8. So numerator also want to multiply by 8. 8 times of 19 is equal to 152. Cos 9 8s of 72. 2 carries 7 and 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 7 15. So 152. Now we get the like fraction. So compare the numerator minus 63 plus 100. The difference sign is the subtraction. So subtract the both value. So this is plus, this is minus. It's also greatest value. So greatest to subtract the smaller one. 2. 2 does not subtract 3. So transformation, making the transformation, the 2 converted into 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Then this is 4. 4 does not be subtract 6. So once again making the transformation 14. 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Greater value sign, so plus divided by 160. This is your result. Have you understood? This is your 9th question. Okay dear students, today homework, book page number 29, exercise 1.2, question number 8, second subdivision. Okay. Do it well. Okay, thank you. God bless you.